Okay, so Olive has been kind of like anti videos lately. So if you see me, her mom, in some of the next videos, that's why. Here I am. Today we are going to be making some brownies. I will put below what kind of brownies we're making, but as far as anybody knows, we're making chocolate chip brownies. What do you want to add?
Some sprinkles.
Oh, to the brownies. Yeah, maybe not today. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients that we're gonna use. The only thing I couldn't find was salt, which I think will be okay. All of the ingredients I will list below. I add in a couple things that are different from the original recipe, and the original recipe can be found on chocolatecoveredkatie.com. She has a lot of like raw and vegan recipes that are super, super good and healthy. I used to make these all the time before I had kids, and this is actually the first time I will be making them since having kids, and my oldest is 4, so it's been a while.
Yes.
Okay, what are we gonna put in first?
The black beans.
You do want to rinse your black beans super well before we blend them up. Bloop. Be-doop. I forgot to mention one thing. We didn't have oats, so I found what we had on hand, and this is like a oatmeal mix kind of thing that also has some, let's see, quinoa, peanuts, protein. So we are using agave instead of maple syrup. Go ahead and put it in. We're guessing a little bit on some of the ingredients because we need new measuring cups. So we're just gonna say that that's a 1/4 cup, and it should be around there. So our coconut oil. All right, first tablespoon. Cocoa powder. Vanilla. Bless you. Baking powder. Okay, it asks for a pinch of stevia. So we're just gonna do like half of this packet and hope for the best. So we're gonna blend this first. It has everything except the peanut butter and a little bit of coffee, because that'll be the side that me and my husband probably eat, and then the kids will have the other side that's super chocolatey. This blender is amazing, so I'm not really worried about not having a food processor. I think this will basically work as a food processor by itself. So since it's super thick and struggling a little bit to blend, I'm gonna put a little bit of milk in there. I'll add some unsweetened almond milk. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna put half of this mixture on one side. And then we will put some more ingredients in the other half. Okay, so we're gonna use a little bit of pbfit peanut butter. And sometimes we do like to add protein powder, but I don't think that these will need them. Okay, I lied. We're gonna add protein to this to sort of help it expand and give us a little bit more of the mixture. This is one of my favorite proteins. This is the Carbo Mocha. These are seriously the best proteins ever. That's another video. But I'm gonna add like half a scoop. Now we are ready to put chocolate chips in it. That's obviously mom and dad's half. I put some coffee in it, peanut butter powder, a little more almond milk, and the peanut butter powder. All right, they're ready to go in. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These are supposed to be in an 8x8 pan, and it's been a while since I've made these. So I grabbed a big pan. They probably will not rise much, but that's okay.
Mom,
this means that you're gonna eat more brownies. And then you're gonna cook them for 15 to 18 minutes, and then they need to cool for 10 minutes before you cut into them. You can also refrigerate them overnight, and they can get firmer. All right, we are now taking them out of the oven. They were cooking for 15 minutes. Okay, they look amazing. I actually really like how the texture is looking on the side for me and my husband.
It was so fun to make those. Now we get to eat them, and then we get to cook them. This depends how soft they are. I'm gonna eat this big piece.
We'll start with the little one, okay? You excited?
To put sprinkles on them?
And to eat them?
With sprinkles?
Maybe a few. Just on yours.
Oh yeah, I'm really excited to put sprinkles on them.
Okay, so we tried a tiny bit. Ours definitely are mushy on the inside. Both sides are. I remember this happening before when I used to make them, and honestly, they still taste so good. It's like custardy. So I remember now that when they are refrigerated, that kind of firms up. So you can try baking them more. I would just keep it kind of mushy and have like, almost tastes like a molten lava cake, but better. How is it? So good.
Freaking delicious. Those are freaking delicious, yeah.
Yeah, that was freaking amazing.
I don't remember.
What?
Mm.
You have some on your cheek?